Plants Don't Sneeze by M.G. Henrickson. Illustrated by Elnaz Masrour. I am a plant. I'm different from you. So when I get sick, I don't say achoo. There are small living things lurking just out of sight that keep plants like me from feeling all right. My doctor is called a plant pathologist. They look closely to see what others may miss. Nematodes are tiny, hungry worms. Moving through water, they swim and squirm. They munch and crunch on roots, leaves, and stems. Plant roots can be homes. Some live inside them. Fungi can be hidden, spongy, or a fuzzy fluff. Their spores act like seeds. They're made of tough stuff. Spores can travel far or sleep through the cold. If they find plants, spores grow into mold. Mistaken for fungi, but not quite the same. Oomycetes have had their fair share of fame. Special but scary because their spores can swim, zooming right up to plants and not on a whim. Stinky, slimy, and covered in goo. Bacteria are teeny. They're just out of view. Some can be plain, have tails, hair, or feet. It's a plant rotting party when they want to eat. The virus is the smallest and ever so sneaky. It makes a plant cell act kind of freaky. It tiptoes right into the plant's DNA, then the plant makes copies of the virus all day. Plant doctors know all about plant health. They study disease and offer their help. Even though you don't have stems, roots, or leaves, the truth is, you're not so different from me. When we get sick, there's no need to fuss. We have someone special that takes care of us.